Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is EndNote Tutorial. EndNote is a software that helps you manage your bibliography or references when you are writing a manuscript or document. So let us see how it works. So in this talk, I will be covering the content that how to make a library with EndNote and how to insert selected reference in MS Word document and changing output styles and downloading output styles and modifying output styles, and we'll also check what is the output style for use in that you'll need for your synopsis guidelines. So let us start with the EndNote. Uh, First of all, you need to open the EndNote. EndNote will open the library that you opened last time. This is by default. So last time we were working with a library that was demo library and we added few references into it. So this is showing the demo library. So you can continue adding the references into your already existing library, or you can make a new library from the file and the new, and you can name it, you can select the location where you want to save the EndNote library, and maybe we can set this as demo 2 library, and I can save it where I want. So when you prepare a new library, excuse me, it will open a new library, and then now this library is open. So whatever the reference you download, it will be stored into this new library. So let us see how to download the references from various websites. So probably you will be using the Google Scholar. So I have opened here Google Scholar, and you can make search like anything you want, maybe polymer composites. So Google will search it for you, and you can check with the references that you want, and now you can open any of the reference. You see it, and elsewhere websites you will see here a cite button. So when you click on this cite button, it will ask you what do you want to, or where do you want to export. So you will export for the EndNote. You will click on the export citation to RIS. So now you see it has downloaded the references. When you excuse me, when you click on this, it will open into the EndNote library that was just opened, it was last opened. So now one reference is added into your library. So when you click on this reference, the preview is shown here in the preview box for the selected output style. Now you can keep on adding more references into it. Maybe you find some another article. So this is the another publisher, that is Nature Publishing Group, and they have set this uh, output style or download references with the tag cite this article. So when you click cite this article, it will take you to the cite this article. So this is how they have set the output style into the format of Nature, but you can always download the citation. So when similarly now your output style, your reference is downloaded, and when you click on it, it will open into your last library. Now you have two references into your library. Likewise, you can keep on adding more references into your library. or if you want to borrow some library from some other source, or you want to import references, so you can open another library maybe. So this was another library, and you can select few reference if you want, maybe 3 4. You can simply copy the reference, and you can place into your control V, so you can paste the references into your newly built library. So now you have many references, and you can keep on adding with the references into the EndNote library. Also, you can uh, click here if you want to the download the citation. Here you can see here that it will appear like this, that if you want to choose any specific output style, you can select from here and paste into your Word document. And also you can download to the reference manager, maybe the refman, reference works, or EndNote. So we are working on EndNote. We will click on the EndNote here. It will once again download the reference, and when you click it, it will open into your last open library. So now you have many references into your library. Let us go and check how can we insert these references into the Word file. So you will open Word file, maybe the file that you are already working on, or you can open up um, a new file. So when you open this file, you will certainly type something, or you can select the maybe this is an invention disclosure. So you wrote something and you want to add reference here. So now you wrote something, now you will click on the EndNote, and you will go to the EndNote first and say you want to add this reference, and you select that reference. Then you go to the Word file, click on the EndNote, and then go to the Insert Citation, click on the Insert Selected Citation. So now you see that the reference is added, and now you can keep on writing. And now once again you want to add a reference, so you will go to the EndNote, you will select the reference that you want to add, and then you will click on once again Insert Selected Citation. Make sure that the cursor is at the right place where you want to insert the reference. So you will once again click on the Insert Selected Citation. Now you have two references, and if you want to add at the same place, you are trying to add two references, you can do that. So you will go to the EndNote, click on the reference that you want to insert, place the cursor, and then once again you will click on the Insert Selected Citations. So you see now you have two references together. So you can keep on adding and keep on writing your manuscript and keep on adding the references. So now you have all the references. So I plan to target the making EndNote library. So we did that. We learned that how to make an EndNote library, and then we also learned that how to insert selected reference in MS Word document. Now we are moving to how to change the output style. So you will click on to the Word file. You see here under the EndNote tab, you will see here the style. So we have selected author and date style. You can select many other styles you have already used, or you can go to the select another style, and you can maybe select choose the EndNote style that you want. So uh, maybe we can go for the um, let us see, find some chemistry. Okay, so if you select the accounts of chemical research are ACS. So here we will click on OK. Now you see that the output style is updated with the ACS style guide. Also you can change to some other maybe APA style. So this is the APA style, and you can go for the IEEE style. So this is the IEEE style. So depends on what kind of output style you want. So now we learned that how to change the output style, how to select the different output styles. So another thing that how to download the output styles. So you can download the output styles from different journals website. Like if you go to the journal website, uh, so it will ask you. Maybe we are going to the journal website. So this is the guide for authors. So this is the reference style that this channel wants. That all the submitted manuscripts should be formatted into this reference style. So it says that this is the output style, that how do they want that the journal to be cited, and also how the book to be cited, and what should be the format of other things. You see, so this is the reference style guide, and also they have the list of word abbreviation, so you can also find that. So they have not so far added any. So this is the reference style. So reference management software, they encourage that the references should be added with the citation style or citation language guide. So if you are using reference work, if you are using the Mendeley, there are different citation tools, but there is I cannot see the style guide here. So we can go to the another way to find download the output style is to use the EndNote website. So you can use the EndNote website. So here you can see here that there is EndNote download. So and there is a output style thing. So you can download the output style, and you can put the name of the channel. So this is solid state and material science. So let us search the solid state. Material science. Let us search it. So it did not found any output style with this thing. So this is the journal, the its current opinion, it's the same journal. So you do have the, you can download the output style. It's open. Now you can save as current opinion. So now you do have this output style, and once you have the output style, you can go to the your file, and now you should have the output style. Uh, Here, go to the select output style. Now you can choose the output style. So this was the current opinion in solid state. Okay. So now you have the updated download style and for the required journal. So now your references are formatted into the required journal format. In case you want to, sometimes you want to change the output styles, and all the fields of the output styles are not matching. So you can always edit the output style. So if you want to edit the output style, you can go and from the edit tab, go to the output style, and then you can select, maybe you want to change something here. So you can click on this, and then you will say you want to change the template. uh, you want to change the bibliography number of the author and citation. So you can, maybe you do not want the bibliography number, so you can delete it, and then you can insert the fields you want to add. Maybe you want to add the number. You do not want to do that, you can change. Maybe you can use the author, and you can use the here style. So now your in text citation will be changed to author and here. So you can save this with a different name you want, or you want to discard, you may not save it. Okay. So this is how you can change the different reference, edit the output styles. So Cynthia University uses the output style, that is IEEE for science students, and the signups are submitted from the IEEE. So let us see if there is something available onto the using websites. So let us see. This is the admission page. We do not want that. This is using. Let us see where this is. Campuses, admissions, administration, research and graduate studies. So let us see if there is something else and we can find. So these are the downloads. Maybe there is something for the download. Okay, so they have the pro forma for clearance, sample, PhD, and article certification, thesis submission, and thesis correction. Save something in view, something in programs. Let's see the MPhil. So this is the coursework, proposal defense. So here they say that the structure of thesis, that they should have title page, this and this, blah blah blah, and they want that this thesis should be formatted into this thing, that is IEEE Institute of Electronics and Electrical Engineers. So this is the reference style guide for IEEE. That's it. So this is IEEE style. They have not mentioned anything else. So let us see that how does this style look like. Just to make sure, we can search into the Google. This is the examples for books, handbooks, reports, conferences, periodicals. So this is the form for the periodical or journals. So we need to cite into this style for the journals that the author name, that the in italic this is volume number, this is page number, and this is the here. So this is the style guide. You can make sure that you have correctly inserted the IEEE style. So that's all for now. Let us stop that. If you have more questions, we can discuss it.